I hope big pharma and all the companies would really get supply for the demand.
The U.S. hitting a grim milestone with 700,000 Americans dying from COVID-19. But there is hope. The CDC is predicting that cases, hospitalizations, and deaths will continue to fall. This all comes as doctors are looking at medications already on the market to help stop the spread.
As 25 News reporter Caleb Chevalier tells us, those efforts are leaving some medicine cabinets empty.
Various drugs have been found to be a potential method of treatment for the coronavirus, but as those drugs see an increase in use, it's getting harder for non-virus patients to get the medicine they need. A prominent example of this is Actemra. It's a drug normally used to treat rheumatoid arthritis. With the drug having been shown to help the body fight the virus, the FDA authorized it for emergency use. The result was a spike in demand, creating problems for rheumatologists.
Definitely shortage in the last couple of months. And as a matter of fact, some of our patients who were on the regular treatment, many of them on monthly infusion treatment, they were not able to get it.
Dr. Eugene Fung works with an arthritis practice in Waco. He says some of his patients have had to experience some discomfort while they wait for the Actemra supply to be replenished.
Certainly, we understand that COVID is more priority in saving life.
Waco resident Joy Romano is able to sympathize with people having to go without their medication. She says she would be in a lot of trouble if her prescription was suddenly in short supply.
If it's going to be in a shortage, I cannot live without it. It's going to be, I have to take it every day. So, of course, it's so messed up.
Dr. Fung has heard from colleagues around the country who say the Actemra shortage is worse than what he's seen in Central Texas. Right now, they have enough medication to cover treatment that is already in progress.
So in a way, we are lucky we can able to manage to keep our patient on the treatment, but we cannot start any new one.
A pharmacist with Baylor Scott & White declined to go on camera, but added that drug shortages are an everyday occurrence in the medical field. So far, their shelves have not experienced any shortages of supplies. While Dr. Fung's office awaits more medicine, he says the best thing the public can do to avoid repeat shortages is to protect themselves against the pandemic.
I would say go back to the public health issue, listen to the public health authority, and the vaccination is very important.
Health experts continue to recommend vaccinations because it is our best method of slowing the pandemic, which would allow these drugs to return to their intended patients. In Waco, Caleb Chevalier, 25 News.